How to make a public profile on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I'll show you how you can create a public profile on Snapchat. So just make sure to watch this video till the very end. If you'd like to create a public profile on Snapchat, which means you want to upload spotlight videos and so on, for that you need a public profile. And in order to do that, you have to go ahead and then open the Snapchat application. After you do that, tap on your profile icon from the top left. And here, if I come to my profile page, if I scroll down to the bottom, you'll find the option called My Public Profile. And you can see I've already enabled my public profile. Now, there are a few steps that you need to do in order to create your public profile. So first, I'll go ahead and delete my public profile to show you guys by tapping on the three dots, choosing the option called Delete Public Profile. And basically over here, I'll just go ahead and refresh it a couple of times in order to show you guys that I'll also be able to create a public profile. So if I go ahead and open up Snapchat, tap on the profile icon again, here scroll down, you'll find the option called Create Public Profile. But however, you want to keep one thing in mind, and that is that you might not be able to see this option, and there are a few settings that you need to customize before you can enable this public profile option. And in order to do that, first of all, tap on the gear icon from the top right. Here you want to actually scroll down to the privacy control. So who can contact me, you want to make sure to set this to everyone. Who can send you notifications, make sure to set this to everyone again. Who can view your story, set it to everyone. After that, who can see me in quick add, set it to everyone, and then make sure to check it. And spotlight reply settings, you can see auto approval and so on. You want to make sure whatever the privacy setting is, you want to make sure that you have set it to the maximum privacy possible, which means as wider and as broader as the audience goes, not narrow it down but to actually widen it up. And as narrow the audience goes, because if there are friends and no one, you want to select friends. If there are friends and everyone, you want to select everyone. So the maximum possible privacy, as I said earlier. And as you do that, you can come back, and this time you will most likely find the option called Create Public Profile, but you might need to reload to find this option. So reload it and you'll find this option. So you can see all this and tap on the Get Started button, tap on Create option, and just like that, you'll have successfully created your public profile on Snapchat. That's all it takes to create a public profile on Snapchat. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, do make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.